Nhất xa sẽ hơi chính em mà đem cái chính nhập.
Hằng nghe lại phim ngay sẽ.
Bác có bài bên mình nghe. Nãy thì bro chính em nghĩ nạp xin nhau cái tay pop. Bác khi cầm bà cho nghe.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Haba pen pau ke jing ngolam hiyen dot bat hawan ke jilla thalor ke jing khlat no jong MP ke Shillong u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ka MLA jong ke East Shillong constituency ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo klapin kin ma bahaus nem arajar apusau ha ke election MP ke le Khun Pyrshah yo Dr. Ricky Singkon ha ke ti por ke laong beklami bon ke jing atai nya klami ru ke jing Khluit hende habo Dr. Ricky uyeng ha ke rensan menyelap election ju Khyrwit Shimet Satya yeno bar uyeng hala ke nongrem lajong but day na katakadaw uyo ko jing shania nakipat ba klepin job tan buram ya u ke Dr. Amprin kalaong bahaki ni gisngi ha ka politik kidin kindiet ke bakumu Dr. Ricky but day ban bud ya kadikaduk sa jong u ba omde ben ailat ba ka politik kan long kata masa banwan ra ke jing isi wala ka don ke jing pher ha ka nongrim ni ha ka seng sain perthai Kalaong bu Dr. Ricky udah ubla perang ke jingmat jing berkat jing bon ki samla kumuno hikai berkumu MP pan la Pyrshah melwanra bon ki policy ke jingdu yu ukam dei tang ke jingdu yu syakri pat ba hende ke jingdu yu khon jang jela Meghalaya.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I too rise to participate in this obituary alongside the Leader of the House, Leader of the Opposition, and other members of this august House. Sir, we rise today in solemn remembrance of our late colleague, Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon. His untimely passing has brought grief not only to this assembly, but to the people of Meghalaya, whom we all serve. Though Dr. Singkon and I belonged to different political parties, moments such as these remind us that beyond our differences, we share a common purpose: the service of our people and the strengthening of our democracy. In this spirit, sir, I wish to honor his life and his contributions. In 2024, Dr. Ricky Singkon and I stood on opposite sides of the electoral contest. We debated, we differed, and we sought the trust of the same people. Yet, what I will always remember is that even in the heat of that campaign, he never succumbed to the rising trend of direct personal attack. In today's world, where politics too often slips into hostility, that restraint and dignity are qualities few understand and fewer still practice. For that, he earned not only respect from his supporters, but also from those of us who stood against him. This is a lesson we must carry forward. If we are to honor his memory, we must ensure that our politics does not become a theater of hatred, but remains a forum of ideas and service. Differences will always exist, but they must never overshadow our shared responsibility to the people of the state of Meghalaya. Dr. Singkon's journey from an academia to a public servant was marked by courage and conviction. As a teacher, he shaped minds. As a parliamentarian, he sought to shape policy. His presence in the Lok Sabha enriched its debates, and his sincerity reminded us that politics at its best is about service, not division. Honorable members, today we mourn the loss not only of a public servant, but a colleague and a son of Meghalaya. On behalf of my constituents and myself, Honorable Speaker, sir, I extend our deepest condolences to his family, his friends, and all who grieve his loss. May his soul rest in peace, and may his example of dignity and sincerity continue to guide us across party lines. Thank you, sir.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwaba finchet da kajo shikajo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi, pat kamariang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpiang, kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante shanala, ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko, ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kaneka umpiang syaka biodiesel. Tinamar kata lembaka ruko kakot kakya pat kamariang rukan umktasyo.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.